Hi, this is David Ivy. Today we'll be going over how to inspect your full body harness.
First, you want to start with your back D-ring. Here you'll want to confirm that there's no cracks, pitting, deformation, or corrosion. Next, you will move on to your back plate. Here you will want to confirm that there's no cracks in the plastic. After that, you'll want to inspect the full length of the webbing, ensuring there's no cuts, burns, frays, or tears. Next, you will move on to your load indicator. This will indicate whether a load has been applied to your full body harness. Give the stitching a light tug to ensure the stitching is still intact. If this is deployed, please remove from service. After that, you will move on to your labels. Here we have a protective cover. Open the protective cover and check to make sure all labels are legible and present. Next, you will check all mating buckles, confirm that they properly function and that there are no cracks, pitting, deformation, or corrosion. If your harness has tongue and buckle style leg straps, you will want to ensure all grommets are present and not bent or deformed in any way. After that, check the functionality of the buckle to confirm it will stay connected.
Thanks for watching how to inspect a full body harness. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at maltadynamics.com. Thank you.